Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs on the Orphan Landscapes blog. So I'm at a project in Dana Point that was designed by me, and I'll put a link in the description of the video to the original video I made about this. But it's been many, many months since this has been installed, and I wanted to show you what it currently looks like. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between with some bits of art. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so on this side we have some Erigeron, Siskiyou Blue Fescue, Cleveland Sage, Woolly Blue Curls. And then here, now the client, I just spoke to her, said that none of the plants died. Yay! And in the springtime, the smell of the sage was just perfuming the air. Now this is Carapia ground cover. Unfortunately, she does have some clover that has grown in, but we'll have to figure out a sustainable way of removing it. I mean, I could sit out here with a hot cup of tea. We've got some purple Threon here. I love the Siskiyou Blue Fescue growing kind of in between the rocks. That's a Cleveland Sage back there. Two different varieties of mallows in the back. And then apparently there was a squirrel that was up this palm tree eating from it, hence all the pods on the ground.